People say investing is risky, but the same people will happily bet money on a game, a lottery, or even a random online spin. Strange, isn't it? Why do people fear building wealth, but feel excited losing it? Let me tell you a story. I am Leo, and today, we're not talking about money. We're talking about the mind that controls it. Because the real problem is not your income, it's how you think about risk. Meet two friends, same salary, same lifestyle, same opportunities, but one chooses to invest. The other chooses to gamble. After 1 year, the investor is unsure, sometimes anxious, because his money moves slowly. Up, down, sideways. But the gambler? He feels alive, excited. Every bet gives him a rush, even when he loses. And that's where everything changes. Humans don't love money. They love fast rewards. Investing is slow, sometimes boring, sometimes even frustrating. But gambling? It gives you instant results. Win or lose, you feel something now. And the brain is addicted to now. When people gamble, they believe they can win. I'll get lucky. I understand the game. This time is different. But in reality, the odds are against them. Investing, on the other hand, feels uncertain. Even though historically, it rewards patience. So people choose what feels controllable, not what actually works. Here's the truth. People don't fear losing money. They fear losing safely. Investing shows losses slowly. You see your money go down, and it scares you. But gambling hides losses behind hope. Next time I'll win. Just one more try. And hope is more addictive than logic. You rarely hear someone say, I invested for 10 years and built wealth. But you often hear, I doubled my money in one night. Even if it's rare, big wins are loud. Smart investing is silent, and people follow noise, not truth. So understand this. Gambling feels like an opportunity, but it's a trap. Investing feels like a risk, but it's a path. One feeds your emotions, the other builds your future. The difference between the rich and the broke is not luck, it's patience. The rich are willing to be bored, while their money grows. The rest chase excitement and lose everything chasing it. So next time you feel like taking a quick chance, ask yourself, are you building wealth or just feeding your emotions? Because in the end, money doesn't disappear by accident. It disappears by habit. If this opened your eyes, subscribe for more content that actually makes you think.